Prince Heike has asked ailing veteran comic actor, Mr Ibu to seek forgiveness from God following the recent revelation of his intimate relationship with his adopted daughter, Jazmine. The drama started in Mr Ibu's home after Stella Maris, wife of the actor, publicly accused Jazmine of denying her access to the funds donated for Mr Ibu's surgery. Jazmine, on the other hand, had alleged that Stella wanted the donations made for the actor's surgery because she wanted to buy a brand new phone, a car, and undergo butt enlargement. Things went out of control after an audio recording of a yet-to-be-identified woman with the ailing actor having a conversation surfaced. In the recording, the woman who spoke in Igbo was heard reprimanding the actor for sleeping with Jazmine and bringing her into his home. The actor also admitted to having sex with Jazmine, adding that he stopped dating her because she also slept with his son. Reacting to the drama in an Instagram post, Prince Heike stated that if Mr Ibu actually slept with Jazmine and introduced her to his family as his adopted daughter, then he committed incest. He further urged the actor to seek forgiveness from God as his problem may be spiritual. He wrote, "I honestly do not know the truth in the different versions of the story. But if the said adopted daughter was / is actually a side chick you are / is having sex with, and you had the mind to introduce her to the world and to your family as your daughter, brothers, you are committing incest and you need to ask God for forgiveness." Family isn't only biological. There are many stages you should have given her. Bestie, family friend, colleague, etc., but not daughter. Number my 2 cents. In another post, he added, "This life is more spiritual than physical. It's never a bad thing to adopt someone into your family / life, but bringing someone that you are sexually involved with into your family and tag her adopted daughter for convenience is incest. Maybe we should deal with spirituality first, who knows."